Alright, in this video, we are going to practice order of operations here. And the plan is simple. We're going to use pandas. So like that, you remind yourself of what basically goes first. So that P is for parentheses, E is for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, addition, and subtraction here. Make sure that you follow the plan in order for you to get an answer. If we go to example 1, if you see it, you have here 40 divided by 4 minus parentheses 5 minus 3. Clearly here, you need to look at the symbols and the situation. So you're dividing, you're subtracting, and you have a parenthesis here. So if you go to the plan here, which one goes first in that order? Clearly it's going to be the parentheses that you have here, the group. So what I'm going to do is to do a step by step. I'm going to keep everything else. So you have 40 divided by 4 minus, now inside the parentheses here, what is 5 take away 3 here? It's 2. So I already got one problem down here. If you see what is left now, you have subtraction, you have division here and subtraction. So we already did parentheses here, and you can double check. Do we have exponent? No. Do we have multiplication here? No. Do we have division? Yes, we do right here. So 40 divided by 4 is 10, and then you keep everything else. And obviously, since this is basically the last step, 10 minus 2 is 8, and that will be your final answer. So you see, as long as you keep following the plan here, each time when you get rid of one of the problems that they give you, the example is going to start getting easier, and until you get to the last step. In the beginning, it looks kind of confusing here, but if you notice, when you follow the plan here, you will get rid of some of the problems again, dividing, subtraction, parentheses, but when you follow the plan, everything will go according to plan. And that's basically the end of that. Let's go now to the next one. If you go to the next one, you have here a group 6 minus 4 times 49 divided by 7. So one of the things that I like to do is I always go back to the plan, and you can go from the beginning, which is P, and you need to say to yourself, do you have parentheses? In this case, we do. So that should be the first thing you do. 6 minus 4 is 2, and then you write down everything else times 49 divided by 7. The next thing that you're going to do after that is you just keep following the plan. Do we have exponents here? We don't have exponent here. So you go to the next one. How about multiplication here? Yes, we do. We have multiplication here. So what is 2 times 49? That's basically 98. 98. And with that step there, if you think about it, even if you keep going, you know it's division. Basically, that's what you have in here. So 98 divided by 7 is 14. And that's basically the final answer. So again, my advice is just write down the plan and basically just follow, in each case, what the plan is basically telling you. Because if you don't do that, more likely you're going to run into trouble by doing something that you're not supposed to do first, and you're not going to get the answer. For example, let me go back to number 1 so that you see something here. All right, so you have there basically, let's say 40 divided by 4 Let's say that in the beginning, you just say to yourself, all right, so let me just divide it here, 40 divided by 4, which is basically 10. And then after that, you're just going to keep the 4 there. And then you're going to say minus 5 minus 3, which is 2, right? Let's say in here that you say now, right, see 10 divided by 4 is going to give you a decimal. You see, so that might be something that you're going to run into it. Or even if it was possible for you to, let's say, divide it, you're not going to get the answer clearly. All right, so these are things that you need to look out for. Or let's say here that you say, all right, let me just say 4 minus 2, which is 2. And then you see 10 divided by 2 is going to give you 5. And you see, and this is supposed to be the answer. So you see, so those are the things that you want to avoid here. Not just basically doing what you see there first. Make sure that you stick to the plan. And if you do that, you're going to see yourself getting the answer 100% of the time. So I hope that this video helped you out. And remember, follow the plan. It's simple. PEMDAS. See you in the next video.